Exercise 4.1. Question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. We have given situation, word problem, then we convert into mathematically it's in a quadratic equation. Number 1. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Here we need to length and breadth. We have given only area of rectangular plot. What is area of rectangular plot? Here 528 meters square. We know that area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. But length and breadth both are unknown. Here length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. Then we assume breadth. Length. We know length, the breadth of plot is equals to x meter. Then length of plot is equals to one more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth, one more than 2x plus 1 meter. We know area of rectangle is equals to, we know that area of rectangle is equals to L into B. That means length into breadth. Now, according to situation in problem or according to condition, we write here according to condition, area of plot, rectangular plot is equals to length into breadth. Area of rectangular plot is equals to 528 is equals to length. Here length of rectangular plot is equals to 2x plus 1 into breadth. Breadth is equals to x. Implies we multiply this 2x square or we write here, first we write x, 2x plus 1 is equals to 528. We write here, both sides change. Then we simplify 2x square plus x is equals to 528. 2x square plus x minus 525 is equals to 0. Here, what is satisfy this quadratic equation? It is a form of quadratic equation. But length satisfy or breadth? Here breadth, we assume that breadth is equals to x. Therefore, here suppose we solve this equation, then we get the value of x. X is a value of breadth. Therefore, breadth satisfies this quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation which is satisfies the breadth of rectangular plot. Okay. Again, here question is like this. Number 1, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. Let the breadth of the plot is equal to x meter. Then length of the plot is equal to twice more than 1. 1 more than twice its breadth. Breadth is twice of breadth is equal to 2x. 1 more, 2x plus 1 meter. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, L into B. According to condition, area of rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. Condition, area of rectangular plot is equal to 528. You write here, now area of rectangular plot is equal to 528. L into B is equal to 528. Then we write here these terms. You write like this: x into 2x, 2x square plus x1 x is equal to 528 minus 528, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. It is the quadratic equation which is satisfies the breadth of the rectangular plot. Now, question number 2, second number. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find integers. Which number is called consecutive? Number 23, 24 or 30, 31. This number both called the number and its successive numbers is called consecutive number. Here the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product is here. Here we have given product. Product is 306. First we find, let two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. Two consecutive, then more than 1. X and x plus 1. Suppose 20, 21, then 20 and 20 plus 1. Both are consecutive number. Here we assume x, x plus 1. 3 consecutive number. We say 3 consecutive number. Then we assume that x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. Here smaller number is x and larger number is x plus 1. Now, according to condition, according to problem or condition, product of two consecutive positive integers, consecutive positive numbers are x and x plus 1. Here we write positive. Positive numbers are x and x plus 1. Now, according to problem, product of them is 306. X into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Now, simplify. X square plus x is equal to 306 implies x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation satisfies the smaller number. Here problem we get. Suppose we solve this equation then we get value of x. X is a value of smaller consecutive number and x plus 1 is then add 1, then we get other consecutive number, other number. This is quadratic equation of given situation which satisfy the smaller number, which satisfy the smaller number, small consecutive number. Okay, again two consecutive number, x plus 1, product of these two numbers, x into x plus 1 is equals to 306. We have given 306. Then simplify, convert into quadratic equation, equals to 0 form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. X square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation of given situation which satisfy the smaller number. Small number. Suppose here we give product of any number, product of any two digit number, any consecutive number, product is 306, 400. Here we write the product, that given number. Now number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now. 3 years from now, that means after 3 years, product of Rohan's and age of product of Rohan's and age of his mother. Product of them now will be 360 years. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Here first we find, let present age of Rohan's or Rohan's present age of Rohan's is equals to x years. Rohan's present age is equals to x years. His mother's present age is equals to, his mother is 26 years older than he. Then it is older than 26 years. Here Rohan's present age is equals to x years. His mother's present age is equals to x plus 26 years. X plus 26 years. The product of their age is 3 years from now. From 3 years, their age will be, how many? Here Rohan's age is equals to x plus 3 years. And his mother's age will x plus 26 plus 3 years is equal to x plus 26 plus 3, 29 years. Product of their age according to condition, according to problem or condition, product of their age x plus 3 into x plus 29, after 3 years their product will be 360 years is equal to 360. Now simplify this equation. X square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 is equal to 360 x square. 29x plus 3x, 29 plus 3, 32x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. X square plus 32x minus 273 is equals to 0. Here it is 273. 10 minus 7, 3. 15 minus 8, 7 and 2. 273. Which is, it is quadratic equation which satisfy Rohan's present age. It is quadratic equation which satisfy Rohan's present age. Then we find Rohan's mother's present age. Again, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Suppose present age of Rohan's is equal to x years. Rohan's mother's present age is equal to x plus 26 years. From 3 years, 3 years from now will be 360. Product of 3 years. Here, 3 years, their age will be, Rohan's age will is equal to x plus 3 years. His mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3 is equal to x plus 29 years. Product of them, according to problem, product of them is equal to 360. Then we write 360. Simplify this quadratic equation. We get quadratic equation x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Rohan's present age will be equal to. Okay.